everybody, it's Gina from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads, and I'm really excited to come to you today with a new video and a brand new subscription. I found a subscription called Urban Glitz Fashions Bead Box on the website Cratejoy, and if you go onto cratejoy.com and search for Urban Glitz Fashions, you should find it pretty easily. But it's another type of jewelry making box that comes to you monthly as a subscription. And she offers 4 different plans. There's the Rockstar plan, the surprise bead box, which is, going to be a mixture of anything. There's one called Glamour and there's one called Boho Chic. So depending on your style and what you want to make, and what you want to receive, you can choose from one of those 4 options. And she sent me the Rockstar box, to do a review. I haven't, received an Urban Glitz Fashions bead box before, so this is brand new to me. So we can open it up together and see what's in here. I know she said that she likes to send a lot of items that are kind of outside the box to get you thinking, which is really exciting because I love that. I love getting things that I may not normally purchase and trying to figure out what to do with them. So let's open this up. I haven't even opened it, so we're going to do that together and we'll see what's inside. I'm really excited. Cannot wait. So this subscription is $34.99 a month, and she ships worldwide from the United States. Let's see. She ships on the 5th of every month. All right. Oh, pretty organza bag. I love getting those because I reuse them. So awesome. Oh my goodness. Looks like there's so many goodies in here. Really, higher end stuff too. High quality. So I cannot wait. Alright, let's read this postcard. Isn't that cute? It says, "Let's travel. June 18th, Rockstar." Alright, so this is a listing of everything that is inside our bag. Very cool. Alright, got everything listed out. So let's see what we got. We'll go kind of down the list like I like to do. I'm just setting everything aside. Okay. Shuffle, shuffle. Alright, so the first item says 1 meter of multicolor cording, 4mm. Oh my goodness. You guys, look at this. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, it almost looks like a snakeskin in a way. That's awesome. It's extremely lightweight and it feels really nice too. It's got really a kind of a nice soft texture to it. Wow. It kind of feels a little bit suede-y, a little leathery, but kind of that a little bit soft feeling. And it's got, as you can see, a lot of primary colors, so like your blue, your red. It's got, let's see, some gold and green. This is awesome. I cannot wait to work with this. And see, this is what I'm talking about. This isn't something that I would just go and pick up ordinarily. But receiving it in this box, and being able to kind of hold it in my hands, look at it, it's definitely something I'm going to have to think on, but it's beautiful. Alright, so we're off to a really good start. The next item says 1 meter of turquoise and 1 meter of yellow suede cording, which it's got to be these. Now this is not a turquoise, it's definitely like a cobalt blue, which is fine. It's one of my favorite colors to work with. So let's see, suede cord, love suede cord. And how fun is it to have these bright colors of suede cord? That is so fun. Bright yellow, bright blue, just electric colors. Those are going to make some awesome jewelry. Ugh, love it. And look how it actually can kind of coordinate with this cord too if you wanted to. but it's got the blue that is that same kind of shade, and you could definitely put the yellow with it too. So that's awesome. So yes, as you can see, not just beads you're getting in this box, you're going to be getting cord as well as beads and other findings. All right, what else did we get? 25 yellow lava stone beads. Oh yes, that's awesome. 8mm. So most of you've probably seen the black lava beads, and I was just thinking to myself, I need to see if I can get them in other colors. And I have seen a lot of people using them to diffuse essential oils, and ever since I first started seeing them a couple months ago, I feel like I see them all the time. I think a lot of people are using them for that purpose. But how cool is that? Look at these yellow lava beads. Porous yellow lava beads, 8mm, 25 of those. And again, yellow, you know, you could easily coordinate it with these cords. Beautiful. I love the bright colors. This is awesome. I could not wait to open up the subscription because I knew she was going to have things that were so different than I usually receive in my other boxes, which I love those too, but it's really cool to get things that are so different. All right, the next is 30 matte black jade beads, 8mm. I'm going to set these here as I go. Okay, matte black jade beads. Oh, wow. Here they are. I love the matte finish. Those are gorgeous. So just like those yellow lava beads, these are the same size. They're 8mm. These are black jade. Wow. Very, very smooth. Very, very matte black. Great basic bead to have. We'll use that easily in a lot of different projects. So that's awesome. Okay, then we have, I'm just playing with this cord while I'm talking. 40 red faceted rondelle beads, 8mm. Ooh, look at this gorgeous red. Crystal rondelles. Love that. And again, these colors are all coordinating, which is awesome. So if you wanted to make, you know, a whole project or several out of this one subscription box. Sorry, it's the morning and I'm still trying to get my mouth moving. Anyway, need more coffee. But everything's kind of coordinating so far. So I'm seeing kind of, you know, I like that there's a theme in a way where if you wanted to use things together in the box, you could easily do that. So look at these gorgeous red beads. Super sparkly. Just a beautiful color of red. And excuse the marker on my fingers. You're probably not even paying attention to that, but I'm seeing it in the viewfinder. I was playing with little kids all weekend. Some family was in town and playing with my child, and anyway, we had fun. Let me set these back. And the next item, looks like there's 11 items total. 12 if you want to say that these are 2 items. So you get a good amount of items in the box. The next one is 35 gold faceted rondelle beads in 8mm. So more rondelles. Beautiful gold. Always nice to have more metallics. Metallics are like a neutral. We can use them so many different ways. Beautiful, shiny, faceted rondelles. Those are lovely. Okay. Excellent so far. And then what do we have? We have 35 white jasper beads in 6mm. So these are just a little bit smaller than the other beads that you've seen. They're jasper, so they're stone. Okay, so 35 of these beautiful white beads, the nice glossy finish. Be great to incorporate in many different types of projects. Excuse my arm. Okay. And I am seeing now that she does have these items numbered, so in the little bottom corner of each item she's got her little number that corresponds with the postcard that she sent. And I just love this postcard. How cute. Goes with the travel theme. Okay, so set that there. And then we have 6-piece of gold-plated travel-themed charms. Oh my gosh, you guys. How cute. How cute. Let's look at all these charms. Oh my gosh. Look at this little plane. My son would love this, actually. Better hide that. Little anchor. Oh, wow. Ship's wheel. A compass. Oh my goodness. These are so cute. And great quality, too. I mean, they're all, like, really nice pieces. I can definitely see like a couple of these on a like a wrap bracelet. Maybe even using that suede cord with a couple of these dangling off. How cute would that be? So beautiful gold finish. I really don't have hardly any gold finish charms. I don't have a lot of charms, period, but gold especially. So very cool. All right. Working our way down the list, we have number 9, gold-plated cube. Oh, wow. That's cool. So, you know, with something like this, you could do quite a number of different things. Absolutely, you could definitely use it with this cord. You know, it would string on very easily. You can use it for a multi-strand beaded necklace where this would kind of bring the strands together. You know, you could use it as a point on a bracelet if you're doing something modern. You know, that could just be kind of a focal. You could use this for a lariat. And I'm just talking off the top of my head. I mean, I've never used anything like this before, but just looking at it, those are some of the ideas that start to pop into my mind. And I like how modern and clean the lines are. So, I mean, you could take it in a very modern way, you know, or use it in any way you want, really. But this is the kind of piece, it seems really simple, but there's so many different possibilities that kind of get your mind working and what you could do with it. So, that's awesome. All right, only a couple of things left. Number 10, 1 gold-plated magnetic closure. Okay, I don't have any magnetic clasps. And again, you know, this subscription box is a little bit more expensive than the other ones I received, but these items are really high-end items. They're nicer finishes. And, you know, as you can see, like gold-plated and stone, and, you know, they're not cheap items at all. So she really puts a lot of thought into what she's including in her box, and also trying to use very nice quality items, which I really appreciate. And that's a very strong magnet. You do have to worry sometimes when you get a magnetic clasp, like is it going to be strong enough to hold your piece and it's not going to fall off? But this is really strong. And I love how it's also got the modern clean lines just like this has, excuse me. So it would definitely coordinate if you were to use these in the same piece, and you could certainly use it with the cord. So very good. And then our final item, 2 gold-plated cording end caps. Oh, perfect. Perfect. So that would be obviously something that we can use with this beautiful cord to end off the piece. So that's perfect. Wow. So that's the June 2018 Urban Glitz Fashions bead box. And again, this is the Rockstar box. There are 4 different options to choose from. And just depends on your style and what you would like to receive and what you'd like to work with. I can see that she put a lot of thought and effort into finding these items and to putting together a subscription box that was cohesive, where you could use these pieces together. The colors coordinate wonderfully, and she also took the time to include the ends for this cord. So this is something that I might not, or the typical beader, somebody starting out, might not have the right findings to work with a cord like this, but she took the time and forethought to include those as well. So I am in love with everything that she sent. I think it's an awesome subscription box. Definitely I would recommend trying it out if you want to challenge yourself creatively, and if you are appreciative of more high-end items. Check her out on cratejoy.com and look for the Urban Glitz Fashions box. And then also I want to mention that she does have her own Facebook group, and she is encouraging people who are subscribers of her boxes to share and to post pictures of what they've created, and to get everybody thinking about new ideas of what they can do with these fantastic items, which I think is wonderful, because I know a couple of the other subscriptions do the same thing, and we all learn so much from each other. The groups are so supportive and so fun, and it's fun to do a little show and tell sometimes, and also learn from others and get your mind thinking in a different way. So once again, everybody, I really appreciate you being with me for this brand new subscription box. I am hoping to do another one for Urban Glitz in the future. She did provide me this box free of charge in exchange for this review, so I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of this box. Let me know, what your favorite items are, or just stop by and say hello. I love to hear from you, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would also love for you to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Etsy. Orchid and Opal Jewelry. Thanks for watching!